So good morning everybody. Today I'm going to explain the record form. So previously we have two kind of record forms, record edit form and record view form. Okay, but recently Salesforce has released record form. So it is a more powerful as compared to a record edit form and record view form. So let me explain you about the record form. So let's see, I'm going to prepare one, close all tab. I will give you and explain you how we can use it and what are the benefits that we have for record forms, as it is more powerful and compatible with Salesforce. One more thing, recently we are using only record form only because it is the latest one, right? But if you will go 2 years back, so at that moment we are using record edit form and record view form. So let me explain you. Let me component is record form component. So in general, how we can means, let me show you or lightning record form. So let me give you the hard-coded value in initial stage to understand you. So let me take any object as suppose the lead. I'm taking it as a lead. All open leads. Then take this record. Okay. So I'm taking this ID as actually I'm doing the hard coded just to show you. Then I will dynamically change its value. Okay. Then object API name, object API name is lead, and the so here I want to explain you the layout type. So actually we can put two things, either layout or fields, but what I will recommend you put the fields. So because we are not sure what fields will come in layout, because we have only two layouts, one compact and the full. Let me show you what's the compact. So if you will see, this one is a compact layout, but if you will see the full layout, so you have to go to the detail page. So this will be the full layout. Let me show you so it will be more clear to you. So layout type, let me show you full. Okay. And mode, so there are three kind of mode. First is read only, view and edit. So read only means only you have an option to view the record, nothing else. You can't do anything in read only. But in view you are able to view it, but if you want to update the record, so you can update also. Inline editing will be there. And third one is edit. So edit will directly, the tab will, the page will load at its edit mode only. So let me show you how. Let's take the read only. Okay, and we have one more thing, that is we can put the column. So column maybe you can put as per your requirement. So I'm putting it 2, so you can put 4, 5, 7, 8 as per your convenience or your requirement. No component market font source. Is there any issue? Okay, I got it. That's a record ID. Record ID. record form, sorry, not is okay. Okay, so let's run it. Put the app, copy this one, otherwise we have to write it. Now C colon this one, and here I can show you extends equal to force colon SLDS. Okay, so just run it. So see, this is how it is coming. Okay, but have you noticed it's a read only, right? So you don't have any option to edit it, just you can read it. Now if you want, if you will change it as a view, okay, so at the time of the view you will see, let me refresh this one, so you can do the inline editing. So see, edit button is coming here, right? If you want to put the mobile number, so you can put anything, right? So it is up to you now, okay, because the record is edit and you can save it. Now the third is edit mode. So edit mode will automatically, if the page will refresh, it will come in edit mode. So whatever you want to change, you can do the changes. And this is the full. If I will change it to the compact, let me change it to the compact. So it will give you the minimum record to edit to see only this much, because I told you it will give you this much. This is the compact, right? But this one detail page is your full layout. So this is the I have done it for layout type. Now let me show you how can you will show this record in filled mode. Close this one. Now first we need to define the fields, what fields you required, right, to do that, to do this activity. So aura attribute name, suppose form page, okay, and then type will be string as an array, okay. Okay, now we have to give the default values what you want, right? Just the default. So how can you declare it? One more. In this we need to declare all the fields which is required to do the changes. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the lead object only. Let's take few fields from here, show all data. So suppose I'm taking name, okay, so name, last name, first name, 3 fields are there, so I'm taking to take the 3 names. That's a name, then last name, and the first name, okay. So this is over. I'm going to take only 3 fields. I have saved this one. Now I will copy and paste this one here, and instead of layout I will put what, fields, okay, fields equal to this one. Just we need to call our v dot, which one we have created, form array. Let's run this one now. See, you are getting this one, name, last name, first name as an edit mode. Why? because we have given an edit mode. So if you want to take as a view, you can just refresh it. So it's a, but one thing you have noticed that the columns is not, yes, is mess. So let me show you it. Now it will be divided in columns. Okay, first name, last name. So it's up to you. If you will put the 3 here, so this record will come in a single format. Say first, second, third. Okay, this is about, but you have noticed that I have given the record ID hard coded here, right? So this is not a good practice to give the IDs from here. So what I can do for it, so if you want to show you from controller, so what I will do, let me quickly attribute name equal to rect ID, type equal to ID, right? Because it will give you the ID. So what I will do, instead of this, I will put now v dot rec ID. Just say this one. Perfect. Now I am creating one button. Button. So on click of this one, I will pass the ID. Okay. So button label equal to show me, and on click I will call one function c dot show. Now I will close this one. So show, I will take it to the controller. Come on. Something happened now. Controller. No, fine. Okay. So just I need to set the component dot set. What we need to set, the v dot record ID, right? Let me copy it from here. V dot record ID, comma, what is a Salesforce ID? We can take this ID, right? So we have this one. Okay. Now this will be set and non-show. Okay, let me run this page now. So it is nothing is displaying here. When I will click the show me, it is ID is passed and you can able to see the values. So this is all about the record form. So we are using the record form only. We are not using record edit form and record view form. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.